think that the two of them are very similar. They are basically different ways to see the same truth. So both of them are very accurate in terms of giving you the correct answers. Some people resonate more with numbers like I do, and it could be that a lot of people I find who are mental based or mind based, they tend to gravitate or be drawn to or see number sequences, where other people who are more emotional based tend to gravitate toward astrology. But really, they give the same answers. If you compare the two, you can see the correlation and the same truths. It's just another way, another modality to see that. And they both use numbers, of course. But the one downside I'm not a big fan of is that numbers are numbers and it's going to be the same regardless, where astrology shifts a bit and there are gray areas with astrology. And with numerology, for example, I don't say, okay, you're compatible with this person or you're not compatible with that person. What I say is that here's your energy. This is what you were born with. What do you want to do with it? What do you want to create with it? How do you want to shift it? Because we can fill in the blanks as we go. If we're missing numbers in our date of birth, those are qualities we're missing or lacking. So there's this thing where astrology is a little bit more set, a little bit more rigid, where numerology, even though it's kind of a backwards thing, because like I was saying, the numbers are the numbers, but you can work with it. There's always a way that even if you think that you're not compatible with somebody, it's about understanding their language. By speaking their language, I mean, is this person very mind based? Are they emotional based? Are they physical based? And knowing how to speak their language can break down barriers in relationships and say, okay, now I understand why these people, why my boss is mean. We understand where they're coming from after we look at their numbers. Whereas astrology, like I said, it's a little bit more vague and a little bit more rigid. That's what I find.